here we are. There's still no light, so I have this little flashlight here. And guys, so we have here the recess lighting. Meron siyang 4 each side. And then there's another 4 in here. And guys, look at that. So as you see, they installed the wood here for the partitions, walk-in closet, and bathroom.
Can't wait until the whole house is done.
Yeah, that's Mama and Papa's bedroom, huh?
And I'm gonna be so excited for my bedroom.
Yeah, yours too. Good morning guys, today is Tuesday and wala pa rin pasok yung mga bata. Yan, sa aming brunch, magluluto ako ng noodles. Yan, naglaga na rin ako ng itlog. And then nag-air fry din ako ng spam. So mainit na siya guys, very sunny siya today. Pero yung mga bata wala pa rin pasok kasi nakita mo may mga snow pa sa kalsada. Dito kasi hindi naman lahat nakatira sa like town, sa city. So yung clear na road nasa main road lang at saka yung mga neighborhood na maraming nakatira. Pero pag yung iba kasi ano kagaya namin, yan, hiwalay kami sa main road. So, lilinisin mo talaga yung kalsada mo. Sa school ng mga bata is medyo hills din siya and very, very steep talaga siya. Kahit yung school bus, nahihirapang umakyat kapag may ice at saka madulas. Good job getting me the chopsticks.
I've got a webcam on my taxi 24/7. The whole world watches me.
So we're here in a room checking for the update. So all the light is not hanging anymore. That wiring is from that side and then they move it here so it's all centered. So this is a new wiring that they installed today. There you go, that's a new one too. And there's an extra light here. So yun na guys, meron na kaming pinto dito. Try natin i-push. Ooh, nice. Nice. Alright, and then it's like the same. Oh, okay. So today they put the wall in here. They installed the door too. And then there's already a wall from the bathroom to the closet. Cool. Nice.
Hold on.
That's nice. I like that. 2 doors.
2 doors. They're gonna open outward because if they were to go inward, you couldn't put shelves in.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? No, it'll be like this, but I think only two pieces of glass.
Look at these. Look. Hi guys! We are going to Lowe's to pick up some stuff that we need for the bathroom and for our master's bedroom. So, like what? We're gonna get the moldings today or no?
Yeah, we're gonna get molding, we're gonna get faucets.
Moldings. We're gonna check for the paint. Faucets.
And light.
Yeah, lights for the bathroom too. Hanap kami ng moldings para sa aming master's bedroom. This is the one that we have in a living room. This is nice. Kagandahan dito mamili is nakagawa na siya, pipinturahan mo na lang. Ayan. May mga design na siya. So ayan siya, yung mga choices.
Yeah, I think your slippers are upstairs.
Ooh. So there you go, guys. It's the bathroom.
I didn't want tile, I wanted the plastic, so
Yeah, it's easy.
Yeah, so you never have to worry about cleaning it.
Yeah. That's the plumbing. They already fixed it. Everything is ready to attach.
Was the door closed?
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday and we have a snowy day. So yan guys, na-notice nyo yung aking pilik mata. Ginawa ko yan kagabi. Yan, so I hope magstay siya ng couple days or week. Nagpa-practice ako maglagay ng eyelashes. So I hope ma-master ko siya. So yan. So ngayon maglilinis ako ng isda, yung binili ko last time sa Asian store. Hindi ko siya nalinis agad. Hindi rin ako nakapag-vlog ng mga ilang araw kasi busy kami dito sa bahay. Yan. So yan guys, tatanggalin ko yung kanyang hasang at saka yung kanyang mga laman loob. Yan. Sobrang dali lang itong linisin. Kasi pag tinatanggal ko yung hasang, diretso na yung sa bituka. So yung mga bata, walang pasok nung Friday. So bali 2 weeks na. So I hope bukas may pasok na sila. Sana. Kasi, iba yung bata kapag ka pumapasok talaga sa school. Nakikipagkaibigan, and lalaro, may mga kalaro, ganun. dito lang sa bahay. Sa bahay, tablet. Nagta-tablet si Hana. Mga bata naglalaro. Mga zombie na. Mas maganda kapag nasa school sila kasi limit yung kanilang screen time. So kaninang umaga umulan siya ng tubig at saka snow, kaya sobrang lamig. Sobrang dali lang. Guys, lalabas kami ngayon. Papunta kami ng grocery. So, kita mo naman yung weather. Kumakain siya ng snow. Yeah.
That's delicious. I see you down.
Guys, sa aming dinner, nagluluto ako ng siopaw. So, yan guys, sa aming dinner. Papartneran ko yan ng spicy noodles. Yan, siopaw.
What?
Instagram.
Yeah.